But I want to tell Remi Trumbu and others like her who are waiting when the Igbos will go, they will come and inherit their property. What type of property Remi Trumbu is looking for again that he doesn't have is Igbo man own will make her to have enough. You see, Igbos in Nigeria or Igbos in Lagos State, for Yorubas to go against them, it's not today that it started. And not every Yorubas are going against the Igbos or Biafrans. But why is so bitter and so annoyance is that the people you look could have done the good thing and one doing the wrong thing.
Right.
The people that you look that could have made the tribal sentiment or tribal hatred to stop are the people that are fueling it. If a Yoruba man going on the street, or common Yoruba man walking on the street, open mouth and say Igbo should be killed, people may not take it so serious. But when an elderly person whom you look, you say among the elderly thoughts, people who you think that can reason well, come out and be saying so and so tribe should wipe off from their tribe, then you know that there's something fishy. You know that it's a revelation what they have in mind. Now look at it. In the time of Fashola, when Fashola was the governor of Lagos State, he packed the whole Igbos in the night, overnight, as many as he can grab. He packed them and take night, shift them down. By early in the morning, the next day, they find themselves in Anambra State, across the river Niger, in Anambra State. He dumped all of them there, said they are Igbos. They should go back to their place. That's number one. Number two, you look at the former Oba of Lagos State. In 2015, 14-15, when the election was on, that Oba came and said that any Igbo man that do not vote to their candidate of their choice will be cast inside lagoon, Atlantic Ocean. That's number two. Number three, in 2019, this Remi Tinubu came out and started saying whatever comes out of her mouth, that Igbos who did not marry Yoruba should be sent out of Yoruba Lagos State.
I can't speak the language.
Who did not marry Yoruba cannot speak the language to send out of Lagos State, and their property taken away from them. That number three. In this current government, the same Tinubu, this end bad government protest, that comment was raised up again. They said the Igbos should go, whether the Oba, whether the governor. Igbos should leave Lagos because they are the one that sponsored the protests and they refused to participate. They should leave. How many? 4 group of people, 4 seats. And you will see, in this current Igbo should leave Lagos State, it was a seed that Remi Tinubu sowed in 2019. We are nurturing with intention that they know what they are doing, that when they become president, their plan, the seed they sowed and be watering, that time it will bear fruit. And what is the fruit? Chase Igbos away from Lagos and inherit their properties. But I want to tell Remitinubu and others like her who are waiting when the Igbos will go, they will come and inherit their property. What type of property Remitinubu is looking for again that he doesn't have is Igbo man own will make her to have enough. How many buildings Remitinubu and Mr. President, her husband Tinubu, have in Lagos State? How many buildings they have outside? I think there was a time when they said Tinubu was the richest landlord in West Africa. Tinubu was the highest landlord, the richest landlord in West Africa. Then tell me the type of property Igbo man has that Remitinubu and his family, her family does not have, that made her eye to be on Igbo property, chase them away and seize their properties. Now, if Igbos were chased away, will Remitinubu come and join hand to chase them, or will he be in Aso Rock giving order to chase them away? Did they tell you that what Lagos State government is planning now, or whosoever planning in Lagos State should be chased away, has a full backing from the presidency? If Remitinubu will say it that time, when they have never entered Aso Rock. Now both her and her husband have entered Aso Rock. We have the president office and have first lady office, which is two of them are ruling Nigeria. Which whatever Remitinubu is doing, Mr. President will know it. What Mr. President is doing, Remitinubu will know it. Which means it may be their joining hand together to use Lagos State or whosoever in Lagos State to chase Igbos away to have their properties. You understand? But one thing that made me sometimes I feel sad or sometimes I feel happy. I feel sad when I hear Igbo man will be maltreated. Because I am an Igbo man also. I have no property. Even 1 foot square of land or building, I don't have in Lagos State. I don't have in my village. How much more to have in Lagos State? Therefore, if they say Lagos State, people in Lagos State should be chased away. All I have is Biafra must go. That, you know, the bag called Biafra must go. It's all I have. And when they say Igbo should leave Lagos State, I pocket my.
Well, you choose not to have because of is it that you don't trust, having properties here in Lagos or what?
Number one, what they're doing now, I don't have money. Number one, I don't have money to acquire properties. But if I have money to acquire properties, what is going now in Nigeria, both north and west, I will not acquire any property. Mostly landed property.
As an Igbo man, you rather go to your village?
As I better go to my village, I can acquire landed property in Akwa Ibom, in Cross River, in Delta, in Edo. I can acquire in Bayelsa, even in Rivers. I can acquire. Forget about the so-called Southeast, which is my own homeland. I can acquire. I can go to Ambazonia and acquire property. I can go to Cameroon and acquire property. I can go to Benin, Togo, and acquire property. I can go to Niger, Mali, even Chad, and acquire property. But the trend of things in Nigeria here, both north and west, I personally, Mr. Paradeni or Kokondem, cannot acquire any property in these two areas, mostly landed property. I can only acquire any property that is, I know that's removable. I dismantle it and put it on motor and carry it go. Not that I hate them or their land is not good for business, but the motive, interior motive of hatred they have on Igbos, put fear into me not to have that mind to acquire property. And as I was saying, why anytime I have a word against Igbos and their property, in west or north, it pains me because number one, I'm an Igbo man. Whether I have, I don't have, I'm an Igbo man. It pains me. They are my brother. But I feel happy again. In the other hand, what they are doing, my brothers, I feel happy. Now, there's something you said in Igbo language that a single person that has no brother, has no sister, is alone. If people did not slap he or her in marketplace, he will think that everybody that come to market are his brothers and sisters. So it's good that they're doing to Igbos. So for we to realize that we are not one Nigeria. For we to realize to go home and build our place. For we to realize that we are strangers, both in north and west. For we to realize to join hands with someone Ekpa and other different agitators to support different government in exile, to emancipate ourselves out of this contraction called Nigeria. Because without this thing they are doing the Igbos, Igbo man will never open. Igbo man will tell that everywhere is home. Any part of Nigeria is home. No! Any part of Nigeria is not home. You're a stranger. Behave like a stranger. Don't behave like as the owner of the land. You understand? You will see Igbo man with big skyscraper, bam, skyscraper, bam, skyscraper, bam. When the owners of the land have not get one a hut, then how do you think that we see you and feel happy? How do you think that they see you and feel happy? You're not the one that hindered them not to progress. But how do you think they see you and feel happy? You be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have shop in a Degama. You have shop in a Kafanchan. You have shop even in Atlantic Ocean. You have shop. Then how do you think that the indigenous of those people will see you and feel happy? Right? In the morning, they will come and beg you for food. You give them. You think that they feel happy. Think of them to go and develop their place. Look at Alaba International. That place, I know how that place was in the 80s. It's totally swamp. They will feeling the sound. Look at Trade Fair. Look at how they transformed that place. It became a Dubai of its own. Now, these are the property remitinubu is looking to acquire, to seize out of Igbo people's hand. And the Igbos will continue to build, to buy sea and fill it, buy swamp and fill it. What government cannot do, one single Igbo man will do it and build the house. Don't they have a swamp in rivers? Don't they have swamp in Port Harcourt? Is it not swamp in Akwa Ibom, Cross River? Is there no swamp on River Niger? River Bank. There are swamps over there. Even in Delta State, along River Niger Bank, there are swamps over there. Let them go and buy it and feel. If they feel swamp, to make them feel happy, let them go and buy it and feel. They will not do it. May God have mercy on Igbo man to realize himself that he's a hated person. You see what I'm telling you in Nigeria? They're looking any avenue, any way they will take to nail Igbo man on the cross. They're looking for any charge. Had there been Igbo man come out, whether in the north, in the west, they will say it's IPOB. I thank God it's Russian flag they use, not the Biafran flag.
That's one.
Had there been Biafran flag, that could be more dangerous. I think by now, they could have gone to China or Iran to import nuclear weapon to come and wipe Biafrans off. I'm telling you honestly, to wipe Biafrans off. Now, those who hold the Russian flag, are they Biafrans? Are they Igbo? I think you said Garuba Shehu also.
Adamu Gabra.
Adamu Garba. It's a pity. What position did he hold in government? What position he hold in government or in the corridor of power? Okay, if Adamu Garba will come out and said Igbos sponsor the protest, Igbos were behind the protest, and they refuse to come out and protest, then who is fool? Who is wise? Adamu Garba, think twice. If Igbo man can tell you to go and commit suicide, and you commit, if you don't know what you are doing. If Igbo man will come and tell people that are protesting, go and protest, we will sponsor you, we will come, and at the day of protest, Igbo man go back. If those people have already sent their death warrant, if there's anything like death, you cannot advise me to do what is not in my mind to do, then I'll do it. And before somebody advises you to do something, what can't you think? Okay, the person advise you. Igbo people advise, organize the protest, that gather the people that are protesting it, pay them, do everything. The first day, Igbo man did not come out. The second day, Igbo man did not come out. Why can't you yourself, his sponsor, and ask him, my friend, why are you not joining us? You can ask him question. You say all of us, you like protest. All of us we should do protest. And you say, why didn't you come and join the protest you are calling for? You are building for. Why can't you come and join the protest? You go inside. You do the first day, they did not come. Second day, you don't come. Third day, you did not come. On Saturday and Sunday, you rest. Igbo man open a shop. Come and do business and go. Why can't you ask Igbo man? As far as you are able to open your shop on Saturday, when there's no protest, and do business, and close it back, why can't you come and join on Monday? Join the rest of the day. You got no protest and say Igbo man is doing this. Igbo man. Why can't you go and jump in the Atlantic Ocean and say Igbo man ask you to jump in the Atlantic Ocean? Those are saying that Igbo man sponsor protests and they don't want to participate, and you are doing the protest. Why can't they go and commit suicide, take rope and hang themselves, and say Igbo man ask them to go and hang themselves? But they will go, they will eat food, they will sleep, they wake up, come out and say Igbo man tell them. Why can't they go and carry acid and drink and say Igbo man advise them to drink acid? They should have done that. They should have done that. Look, you see what I'm telling you in Nigeria? They're looking any avenue, any way they will take to nail Igbo man on the cross. They're looking for any charge. Have you been Igbo man come out, whether in the north, in the west, they will say it's IPOB. And here I say that someone they have succeeded. They have done people to burn Abuja, to burn Lagos, to destroy our land. They will say it's IPOB. Someone have done it. Yes. But thank God Igbo man did not come out. Now they're accusing Igbo man. You plan and refuse to come out. Who is wise and who is fool? Have you been